Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm you have ADB or root because you'll need file-level access to move iOS data. Once done, copy the iPhone WhatsApp backup, tar or exported. Zip to your computer. Make sure you installed the latest WhatsApp on Android and disabled Play Protect temporarily. Next, extract the iOS backup locally so you can access the Messages database and media folder. This step is critical. Without the raw files, you cannot convert and import iOS chats to Android. Now convert and map. Use a conversion tool that translates iOS SQLite schema to Android WhatsApp format. This handles chat ID, message types, and timestamps. While converting, ensure media file names match WhatsApp Android naming conventions so messages link to images, voice notes, and videos. Once converted, transfer the new MSG store file and the media folder to the Android device path /WhatsApp/databases and /WhatsApp/media respectively. After copying, set proper finish by launching WhatsApp and following the install flow. When the app detects a local backup, choose Restore. If WhatsApp doesn't prompt, reinstall the app and try again, making sure your converted MSG store file is in the correct folder. If Restore fails, inspect permissions, verify the database schema, and confirm media file names align. A corrupted or mismatched DB is the usual cause. One key troubleshooting tip. Keep a copy of the original files so you can retry conversion with another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.